Hi, I'm Jenica Cassidy, and I'm an attorney at Lurch, Early & Brewer in the Trust and Estates Practice Group, and I'm going to talk with you about questions for you to consider in preparing for an initial consultation with an estate planning attorney, and then what you can expect to occur during the meeting itself. First big question for you to think about is, who would you like to name to handle your finances should there come a time when you are not able to handle your finances on your own? And who would you like to handle your medical decision making, again, should there come a time when you're not able to handle your medical decision making on your own? An example is something happens to you and you wind up in the hospital and you don't have the capacity or the ability to communicate with your doctors or to pay your bills. Is there an individual who you trust to access your bank account and pay those bills on your behalf, to speak with the doctors on your behalf, and to make those medical decisions? That can be the same person or it can be two separate people, but important to think about that. Next important question is, if you happen to have minor children and something were to happen to you and the other parent of the minor child, is there someone who you'd like to designate as the legal guardian of that child? And is there someone who you'd like to designate as the trustee of a trust for that child to handle the finances? This, again, can be the same person as the guardian, or it can be a different person. It's up to you. Another important question is, how would you like your estate to be administered once you pass away? Who would you like to receive what, essentially? And is there someone who you'd like to designate to handle that estate administration? It could be a family member or a loved one or a corporate entity. Important to think about. And then during the consultation itself, the attorney is going to sit with you and listen to your goals and listen to your answers to some of these questions that I've been talking about. The attorney is also going to explain to you the options that are available in order to put those goals into effect, and also provide some suggestions as to the best approach to complete your estate plan, tailored to your wishes. The attorney will also answer any questions that you may have regarding the applicable law or explain any legal requirements that need to be adhered to in preparing the plan. And then you're going to formulate a plan with the attorney for the attorney to put together to draft the documents for you to review at a later date.